everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Thousandfold Gifts Studio. I am Caitlin and today I'm going to teach you how to make your own macrame Christmas ornament. So this is the Christmas ornament that we're going to work on today. It's actually made of 7 square knots. So if you haven't had the chance to actually watch our first video from our Macrame Tutorial Series, then do click the card on top to learn more about square knots. The materials that we're going to need are, of course, number 1, your cord or rope. I'm actually going to use a 5mm cord in golden natural color, but you can use any size or any color that you have at home. We're also going to need a pair of scissors. I'm also going to use an S-hook. And of course, a simple comb. So, let's start! To start, fold your 20-inch cord in half by holding the two ends together. Then grab the loop formed at the other end. Hang the loop on your S-hook. Now take your longer cord and fold it in half like what you did to the first cord. Place the middle of the cord at the back of the hanging cord and then work on your first square knot. After making your first knot, make sure to hold the two cords at the center firmly. Then push your square knot to the top. Let's now work on your second square knot. I'm going to do it slowly so you can follow my lead. When working on your square knot, you need to make sure that you leave at least an inch of space from the first knot. Feel free to use a ruler if you like, but I usually use my thumb to measure. So now we have 2 square knots. Once again, hold the two cords at the center firmly. Then push your square knot to the top until just under your first knot. Now we've created the topmost level of our Christmas tree ornament. We're going to repeat the same steps on the next square knot. But instead of leaving just an inch gap, we're going to measure 1.5 inches from the previous knot. Now we've completed 2 levels of our Christmas tree. As you can see, the loops on the second level are longer compared to the first one. So our third loop should be longer than the first 2. For this knot, make sure to leave 2-inch gap from the previous knot. We're going to do the same steps for the next 2 square knots. Make sure to add 1/2-inch gap on every level. We've now completed 5 levels of our Christmas tree using 6 square knots. Now let's work on our 7th and our last knot to secure our ornament. We now need to cut the extra cord. Make sure to leave at least 2 to 3 inches below your last square knot. After cutting, carefully brush the tail cord with your comb. You can style the tail of your ornaments in 2 ways, with the usual brushed cord, or you can also opt to twist the cord like this if you like. Now here's how your Macrame Christmas tree ornament should look like. I actually chose to hang it on our dragon tree, and I think it looks perfect. I hope you learned a lot from me today. If you did work on your Christmas ornaments and took some photos, please do tag us on Instagram and Facebook at Thousandfold Gifts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please hit the like button below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY, crafts, home, and lifestyle content.